In this video, we start with the remaining part of the methods of preparation, that is hydrolysis of nitrites. In case of hydrolysis of nitrite, already we some seen the reaction uh, parameter, that is hydrolysis of the alkyl nitrite uh, and amide. It will use the ammonium carboxylate. So a very good method for the preparation of monocarboxylic acid is the hydrolysis of nitrite. Then this particular nitrile hydrolysis of nitrites, we get the ammonium carboxylate, and that particular salt is converted into acid with the help of the acid and base catalyst. So in this case, this hydrolysis is catalyzed by the acid or a base and is carried out by healing a particular nitrite or aqueous acid or alkali. So you'll get the acid. When the acid is used, ammonium carboxylate form about given free carboxylic acid and ammonia salt of the mineral acid. So this is the reaction where we get the carboxylic acid and byproduct, that is the important thing is related with this reaction. And another thing is that when there are two types of the catalyst we use for this reaction. So in this two types of the methods are used in this case. If in case of alkali, already we use the acid. In case of alkali, hydrolysis with sodium or potassium carboxylate, ammonia is produced in this case. So the carboxylate is a composed particular mineral with a mineral acid, that is HCl, and it will use sodium carboxylate and ammonia. So in this case, again we use the acid as well as the base for this reaction, will get the carboxylic acid. So alkyl nitrite required in this method can be conveniently obtained from the alkyl halide by the treatment with aqueous KCN solution. So in this case, we can also use KCN solution and hydrolysis takes place. So hence the conversion of alkyl halide into the nitrile followed by the hydrolysis provide a method for the preparation of carboxylic acid containing one carbon atom more than the starting alkyl halide. Then in next method is that carbonation of organometallic compound. So in this, one of the best general method for the preparation of carboxylic acids, an appropriate Grignard reagent or lithium reagent is related with the anhydrous carbon dioxide. The complex adduct thus formed on hydrolysis with the mineral acid is the carboxylic acid, and this reaction is easily carried out because the Grignard's reagent is merely poured into a dry ice. So the dry ice not only serves as a source of the carbon dioxide but also provides the low temperature for this reaction. So preparation of carboxylic acid by this method may be illustrated by the following method. So in this case, 2-chloro 2-methyl pentane under the reagent of the Grignard's, it will give complex added. Again, action of the dry ice, that is CO2 and water and hydrolysis, it will use the 2,2-dimethyl pentanoic acid. So the organometallic compound can also be carbonated readily and gives the carboxylic acid by the similar step. It may be noted that like the nitrile acid synthesis, this method also yields the carboxylic acid containing one carbon more than that was in starting halide is there. Then sixth reaction, that is carbonylation of alkenes. So carbonylation of alkene, this is the reactant method for the preparation of carboxylic acid from the alkenes. So alkenes is heated with CO, that is carbon monoxide, and the steam under, so H2O under pressure at 300 to 400 degree in the presence of phosphoric acid catalyst, it will give propionic acid. In this example, propene, it will give isobutyric acid. Same reaction condition is there. Then seventh reaction, that is a catalytic oxidation of long chain hydrocarbons. The long chain alkane obtainable from the petroleum can be oxidized to mixture of the carboxylic acid by passing air through the 120 in the presence of the Magnus stearate as a catalyst. This oxidation can also be effected by the passing the air into aluminium vessel containing the long chain hydrocarbon. Thus, the particular reaction example is that nonane under the action of the oxygen and 120-degree Magnus stearate, it will use nonanoic acid. So this is the example, and this is one of the most recent method for the preparation of long chain carboxylic acid for the soap making. Then eighth reaction, from alkyl substituted acetoacetic malonic esters. The variety of the monocarboxylic acid can be synthesized by hydrolysis of the suitable um, acid. It is the malonic acid with a concentrated solution or alkyl malonic acid of ethanolic potash. It will give the acid, that is acetic acid. So monoalkyl acetoacetic acid, acetic acid, concentrated KOH, that in ethanolic, so that is ethanolic KOH concentrated, and it gives acetic acid and another acid and alcohol. So this is the example. Then another example is that from from alkyl malonic ester. So alkyl malonic ester, same reaction condition, only here is the HCl is directly used and the CO2 in next step is evolved and it will give acid. So this form alkyl malonic ester upon hydrolysis yield dicarboxylic acid, which on heating decarboxylate to yield a alkyl acetic acid here, alkyl acetic acid. Then so all of these are the methods of completed methods of preparation. We will see afterwards the physical properties of alcohols. Thank you for listening this.